Hey, bro.
Damn it, SpongeBob. How many times have I told you do not fall over?
Go ahead.
Dude, come on, guys.
Santa's fine. That one I'm not about.
SpongeBob, you know your nose looks like a dick? Just want that, you know.
Aw, his thing broke.
What?
His air thing broke.
Whose?
SpongeBob's.
What do you mean his air thing? Lean you up against the house. There you go. You guys now stay, okay? Jesus. Oh, shit, dude. The weather's getting bad. Pure Michigan right here, guys. Oh, yeah. Now it's finally here. You guys still staying up? Good. It's better to be that way facing, but you're going to be covered in snow, Santa Claus. What's visibility like? Let's look down the road. Poor. Alright. Honestly, I hate to say it, I think we have our inch in an hour. Maybe an inch in an hour and a half. About an inch of new snow on my car since I wiped it off. Not on the windows. But, it's definitely snowing though. But, I gotta get back inside. I'm making dinner, but we're definitely gonna be going for a walk here pretty soon. I'm gonna go make some dinner.
3 hours later.
Alright. I had dinner. And we have a lot of snow. Since the last hour I came out here. Like all my steps are gone. I probably have like what? 3 inches of snow on my car. It's only been snowing. I've only been recording with the snow for maybe tops 3 hours now. We're definitely over 3 inches. We're supposed to get, I think, another 8 to 12. Yeah, there's a lot of snow. See if we can look down at the main road and see if we can see traffic moving. Just go for this little walk right here. So this isn't gonna be all night. They're saying it's gonna be heavier, almost 2 inches an hour. Like I said, it's only like 7:51 right now. 7:52. Can't even see traffic down there, so visibility is probably less than half a mile. I see one car maybe. I can hear the highway. They're moving slow. But definitely dropped a lot of snow. When I woke up this morning, this road was pure concrete. So definitely a lot of snow being dropped. So, but again, I'm just watching Red Wings hockey, and I'm going to check up on this every hour and kind of see where we're at on snow. So, let's find something flat. Like maybe let's do the mailbox. Does that sound good? Let's wipe this mailbox off. And let's come and check it in like an hour. So it's 7:51 now. So let's come and check it. Like what? 8:52, 8:53. Let's check it. Let's get this all knocked off. All right, see it? There's no snow on it. I'm gonna come back in 1 hour.
1 hour later.
All right, it's been that hour. Let's go check out this mailbox. Yeah, maybe not much. Probably not inch an hour. Bummer. But they are saying like tonight's gonna be the big storm. But let's go see. Ooh. Hello. Hi. Yeah, where I'm from, we can have deer real close to us. I mean, I'm standing at the end of my driveway and they're at my neighbor's house in their yard. That's why I no more cross the street. That's insane. But you guys have a good one. Stay warm. There's a lot of snow out here. A lot. But not much on that mailbox. Still watching these guys though. I know it's a snowstorm, guys. It's cold. Probably for all you deer hunters, you guys probably feel jealous right now because I'm like 50 feet away from deer, even though there's babies next to the mom. And all y'all look at bucks, but guess what? This is every day. You guys stay warm, okay? You guys are collecting snow on your back too, huh? I think I got one pooping. If you guys always want to know what a deer looks like when he's pooping, there you go. Yep. Whew. Still a lot of snow. I'll be back in about another hour. Still snowing. Not much though. Feels like it lightened up a little bit, but I'm sure it's not over yet. From what the beginning of the video was, I'm sure there is a lot of snow. I don't know if we're an inch an hour, maybe a half an inch an hour. But the wind has picked up since the last hour I was out here. It is definitely more windier. So all the snow will probably be drifts by tomorrow morning. Let's come back in about another hour. And we'll shut down the Christmas lights and we'll see our total snow before the night and we'll check it all again in the morning.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
My Christmas light's about to be covered up in the yard, a projector. It's coming down pretty good. You can see my TV in the background off the main window in the living room. SpongeBob is almost covered up. So is Santa Claus and all my lights. A lot of snow out here. So last time I'll be out here till tomorrow morning. So we'll see what we have tomorrow. But, oh, we do have snow drifts. Let's go shut these Christmas lights off. Oh yeah, there's a lot of snow out here. A lot out here, dude. Turn around out here. I mean, it's over, like, it's right next to my shins. Alright. Turn this off. Oh, having issues. I think we're off. Alright. I do have a tape measure with me. Let me get this thing stretched out real fast. Hold on. Oop. Sorry. Trying to get it to stay so we can measure the snow real quick. Oh, it doesn't even want to work. Crap. Of course, you get the crappy ass ones from Dollar Tree from last Christmas. But there's enough there. Let's just have fun, I guess. What are we looking at? About 6 inches? 5 inches? About 6 inches of snow so far. And like I said, this car was wiped off clean today before all the snow started. So, it's weird out here. It's definitely snowy. All my Christmas stuff is going to be covered tomorrow. So, but maybe I'll come back out here in the middle of the night. If I don't, I'll record from inside. But I'll see y'all later. See you in the morning.
Much later.
It's about the heaviest it's been all day. It's just a lot of snow. At least 8 inches. And it's been snowing like this for almost an hour. Just hard snow. But I'll see y'all in the morning. Have a good night.
A few minutes later. The next day.
Good morning. Lots of snow this morning. At least about 10 inches. You can see it on the car. A lot of snow. Lots of sirens too this morning. All churches are closed here. Probably in the state of Michigan, honestly, except up north or in Detroit. But boy, didn't we get a lot of snow last night. But right now, I'm going to experience to try to go to the store and get some stuff for breakfast. Because we're about to get more snow today. So, hope everybody has a good day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.